Prejudice. Wrote a song about it. Like to hear it? Here it goes. Free your mind.